Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how to write letter H. Let's start. We'll put our pencil on the third line, go up, 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 make a loop, come down to the third line, go back up, hop, touch the third line and kick. Let's see once again. Go up, 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 make a loop, come down, go back up on the same line, hop and kick the line. Now let's read some words with letter H. H, helicopter. H, hole. H, hanger. H, hat. H, hen. H, hands. H, house. And H, happy. You can see the border. It says helmet. Now, when you do your work in the copy, don't forget to write date on the left hand side top corner and do your work neatly. Bye-bye.